a surge in interest among people, especially youngsters, who are eager to build muscle. Muscle building ensures a lean physique and enhanced mobility. Did you know that for effective muscle building, you need to fuel your body with the right nutrients? Let's explore some plant-based foods that are excellent protein sources, often offering more protein than eggs. Here are 5 powerful foods to help you gain muscle. Spirulina is a versatile superfood. Just 2 tablespoons, 14 grams of spirulina, provide 8 grams of protein, which is significantly more than the protein content in eggs. With around 60% protein, spirulina is richer in protein than many other sources. Research indicates that spirulina can help reduce muscle wear and tear, and it also enhances muscle strength and endurance. To build muscles, consider incorporating spirulina into your diet. Often overlooked as a protein source, green peas are both delicious and nutritious. Packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants, they provide a significant protein boost, even though they might have slightly less protein than eggs. Green peas can be transformed into a variety of tasty dishes, ensuring that you never get bored with your meals. Made from fermented soybeans, tempeh is an excellent source of protein, with 1 cup offering around 31 grams. Tempeh has a unique taste compared to soy chunks and tofu, adding variety to your protein diet. It's a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids required for maintaining healthy bones and muscles. Tempeh is also higher in calories compared to other protein-rich foods like chickpeas and black beans, making it a valuable addition to a muscle-building diet. Known for their omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds are also an excellent source of protein. You can eat chia seeds raw by adding them to cereals, yogurt, smoothies, or salads. Alternatively, soak them in water for half an hour before consuming. Chia seeds are a gluten-free, high-quality and complete protein source, making them a great addition to your diet. Made from soy milk, tofu is another superb plant-based protein source. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Tofu is not only rich in protein but also versatile in cooking, fitting into various dishes and cuisines. Incorporating these 5 plant-based proteins into your diet can significantly enhance your muscle-building efforts. Plant-based proteins are generally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, promoting heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. There are numerous other vegetarian protein options, such as black chickpeas, brown chickpeas, and various nuts. These can be soaked, sprouted, cooked, and enjoyed in a variety of dishes, providing natural and high-quality protein. Including a protein-rich food in every meal will give you the energy needed for daily activities and help you achieve your muscle-building goals. Enjoy your journey to better health and stronger muscles. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.